My name's Fen Edge and I'm from Suffolk County Council Archaeological Service, and we're at Stow Country Park this week where we're doing some geophysics training with members of the public, volunteers, as part of the Brecks, Fen Edge Rivers project.
Hi, I'm Mark from FASAT Investigations. We're helping deliver the geophysics training for the Brecks, Fen Edge and Rivers project. We're using magnetics for this thing. We've got two systems, one where the sensor's on a cart and one with a handheld instrument. So the volunteers, we're giving them the basics on how to use the equipment, be able to use both instruments and get a flavour of how to use each one.
We've come to this area in the Lark Valley around Stow because we'd like to investigate the archaeology a bit more here. So we want to put the village of Stow in its context a bit more. So obviously we know about the excavated Anglo-Saxon settlement, but what else is going on around, and is there other settlements and perhaps other things of other periods that we could find that we don't know about. So that's why we've come to this area, to try and put the known into context and find out more about the archaeology. And what's really great is that local people are volunteering and being trained in the geophysics to try and find out more about their own heritage.
Well, I've always been interested in history. I do metal detecting as well, and I've got a site that I'm quite interested in doing, using geophysics, so it just seemed the perfect opportunity.
I've also always had a lifelong interest in history. I wanted to get into excavating mainly, but I thought this would be a good way to start.
I'm thinking about pursuing a career in archaeology, possibly, so I thought I'd try out geophysics.
It's often really good working with volunteers because it enables us to explain a bit more about what we're doing, to work at a slightly slower pace than we may well do at a commercial project, but at the same time upskilling people so that in the future, once they get a bit more experience, they can use the equipment themselves.
I have been studying archaeology for a while, but we haven't got the equipment for this where I study, so the opportunity to come and do this in a place like this was just amazing. So the best bit of it for me has been finding a new area as well as achieving a new skill. Thank you very much for everybody here, it's been absolutely amazing, and thanks for giving me a chance to do it.
Meeting these guys. No, it's been great. All of it's been good.
Yeah, getting to actually use the equipment.
Yeah,
is
using
really good.
the equipment.
Yeah.
Get
great.
picked again
Yeah.
for
Do
some
more volunteering.
Yeah, definitely.
With this Brecks, Fen Edge and Rivers funding, we're going to come back every year and do archaeological surveying, the geophysics and the field walking, and look at new areas to build up a picture of what's going on in the local area. So there'll be more opportunities for volunteers over the next 2 years.